H.C. Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion Kinematics, question number 39. Find the average velocity of a projectile between the instants it crosses half the maximum height. It is projected with a speed of u at an angle theta with the horizontal. In this question, what is given here? Here, there is a body which is projected with velocity u makes an angle theta with the horizontal. It follows this particular path. So which one we want to calculate here? That is average velocity of a projectile between the instants it crosses the half the maximum height. So that means what is the maximum height here? Here this is the maximum height. So from here to here, this is called as maximum height. So between two instants here, so let us consider this is the one particular instant that is point A, and here another particular instant that is on this side, that is point B. So here we want to calculate the average velocity between these two. So average velocity between these particular points, these two particular points. So first of all, we know very important one. What is that one here? Time taken to reach the ball to the cover the maximum range. That is time of flight. So from here to here, that is capital T. So up to half of the maximum height, how much here? T by 2. But here this particular distance, that is T by 2 by 2, that is T by 4. And here this is also T by 4, and this is also T by 4, and this is also T by 4. One thing remember, from here to here, that is range. So horizontal distance covered by the body. So then what happens here? From A to the ground, if you are drawing one line, here, up to maximum height, this range is r by 2. So that's why this point is called as r by 4, and this point is called as r by 4. And from here to here, again, this is r by 4, and this is also r by 4. So which one we want to calculate here? Average velocity. Now here, average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time taken. So in between which points? From A to B. So from A to B, total displacement, that is r by 4 plus r by 4. This is r by 4 plus r by 4 divided by total time taken, t by 4 plus t by 4. T by 4 plus t by 4. So here this is 2r by 4 to t by 4. So cancellation of this one, 4 cancel, 2 cancel, r by t. One thing remember here, r means what is that here? Range. So here range formula, what is that? U square sine 2 theta divided by g. Here t means time of flight. T is equal to 2u sine theta divided by g. Now substitute these two values here. That means u means what is that here? U square sine 2 theta divided by g divided by 2u sine theta divided by g. So first g gets cancelled. Here u square, no, that is u into sine 2 theta formula, 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 2u sine theta. 2 with 2, u with u, sine theta with sine theta. Remaining is u cos theta. So this is the answer, and this is the solution for question number 39.